Amelia, welcome to 50 Clinton. Come on in.
Wow. Andrew, when was this built?
This boutique condominium was built from the ground up in 2016.
Wow.
There are just 37 homes in this stunning building designed by Isaac and Stern architects to fit neatly into the surrounding cityscape.
The interiors were designed by well-known interior designer Paris Farino, giving the apartments a feel of old world chic with modern European flair. Wow, now that's what I call an open city view.
But I love the oversized casement windows, which really maximizes the natural light.
Take a look at this kitchen.
All top-of-the-line appliances and a huge breakfast bar. It's great for meal prep.
And don't forget about my favorite, the private washer-dryer.
Look at this, 2 entrances. Guests don't have to go into your bedroom to use the bathroom.
And that's what I call a walk-in closet.
50 Clinton seems to have it all. Start with one great apartment with great light and open views.
And then add in a building rich with amenities, including a 24-hour concierge, a state-of-the-art fitness room, bike room, and landscaped roof terrace.
Don't forget, this apartment transfers with a private storage unit.
And the most important feature, location, location, location.
Just blocks away is the Essex Street Market with everything you could think of, including grocery vendors, artisanal bakeries, meat market, a fish purveyor, florists, prepared foods, and so much more. I'm Andrew Phillips.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.
For a private viewing, give us a call or send us an email.
For apartment 6B.
At 50 Clinton.